A combined security force conducted search operation at Lhunkhojang Ridge in Pompi district and seized arms and ammunition, including 2 sniper rifles yesterday. According to police, the combined team seized 1.3 sniper rifle, 1 7.62 mm sniper rifle, 1 SBBL rifle, 1 mobile IED, 4 HE-36 hand grenade along with detonator, 3 stun shell, 3 anti-riot rubber bullet, 13 live round ammunitions, 2 long-range bomb, 1 Baofeng radio set, 6 blank round, 1 tear smoke shell CS, 2 tear smoke shell dual and 2 .36 arming ring number. The seized articles have been handed over to the concerned police station for further investigation.